You've just seen the latest iClone 7 facial animation technology. In this new version, we've improved the association between muscles and facial features, giving you better morph details and making your animations more natural and light. Now, let me show you some of the latest enhancements. First, I'm going to move my eyes around and notice my eyelids following the movement of my eyes. Now, I'm going to do the same movements and I'm going to add a little more expressions to them. Alright, now I'm going to do more expressions. This is when I am happy. Haha! Yes! Ha 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 ha! This is when I am upset. Arr, arr, arr. And this is when I am scared. Huh? Oh no! Oh. Pretty cool stuff, right? Alright, now you give it a try.